Hello, my name is Nick Lubinsky. I'm the Chief Executive Officer at Premier Research Labs, and today I'm going to be talking about one of my favorite products, our Premier Pink Salt Complete. Pink Salt Complete is a unique solution for parents that are trying to get more nutrition in their kids' diets, or just for anybody trying to get more nutrition into their diet, period. So what it is, it's simply Hawaiian volcanic pink salt with Alea clay. It has volcanic Alea clay with a 39 plus trace minerals that we mix with 16 different botanical concentrates. And the botanical concentrates have A, C, D, E, all the B vitamins, selenium, zinc, and chromium minerals, all in one convenient salt that you can actually put as a finishing salt on any food. So take that, that meal and add that on afterwards to add more nutrition, whole food nutrition. Enjoy it today, and the kids will never know. Enjoy.